We are now going to start exercise 6. In this exercise, you will continue to practice using pronouns. In exercise 5, you use pronouns that were referring to people. In this exercise, we're going to include the pronoun it. It usually refers to a thing. So, we do not use the word it when we refer to people. We only use the word it if it refers to something, a flower, a garden, a car. So, let's begin with number 1. Blank starts soccer practice at 5 p.m. In this sentence, we do have a clue. Because if it was I start would not have an S. But if we remember the rule from exercise 5, we remember that when it's a third person, it would be he or she that would make the verb have an S at the end. So in this case, we could say he starts soccer practice at 5 o'clock p.m. The other option would be she starts soccer practice at 5 o'clock p.m. Let's look at number 2. Blank attracts honey every summer. So, if we think about the sentence, here we know that people usually don't attract honey every summer. So we could say it. It attracts honey every summer. Number 3. Blank like to burn wood every winter. Let's think about what pronoun would fit here to make sense. I like to burn wood every winter. It works. He like does not work because we would need an S for likes. He likes. So he as well as she does not work for this sentence. How about you? You like to burn wood every winter. That one works. Or how about we like to burn wood every winter? Or they like to burn wood every winter. So we could choose any of our pronouns to fit into this sentence except for he and she. And in this case, it would not work because a thing does not really burn wood, or they don't like to burn wood because a thing has no feelings. So it would have to be a person that likes to burn wood. So we could use I like to burn wood every winter. But remember, we could also use you like to burn wood every winter, or we or they. Number 4. Blank enjoys helping at church. I enjoys does not work. It would be I enjoy. Again, there is the S. So that means we have only 2 options. He or she. She enjoys helping at church. Number 5. Blank eat an orange each morning. Let's think about this sentence. I eat an orange each morning. It works. He eat does not work. It would be he eats but there's no S here. So now we know we cannot use he or she. How about they eat an orange each morning? They eat an orange each morning. And number 6, blank ride bikes around the park for fun. Let's think of our pronouns. I ride bikes. I ride bikes around the park for fun. Yes, it works, but can I ride more than one bike? Probably not. It just makes more sense to use a pronoun that means more than one. So it could be we ride bikes around the park for fun, or they ride bikes around the park for fun. You ride bikes around the park for fun. You can also work because if I am talking to a group of people and saying you, like all of you, it could also work. You can ride bikes around the park for fun. So let's go ahead and use the word you, but remember you still have options. You could use they or we. If I wanted to use I could use I, but you have to think, I ride bikes around the park for fun. It means I would ride one bike, then I would ride another bike, and then maybe another bike. It would be a lot of bikes. But it does work if I have more than one bike. So the more appropriate answer could be you, if it's you are a group of people, or we or they. Now you're going to continue with this exercise on your own. Follow the rules. Remember to look for clues in this sense. If it has an S, that is a clue that it's going to be a he or a she, because it is in the third person and you need to add an S to the verb. If it does not have an S, then you know it could be I, we, you, or they, or even it if you're talking about a thing. Okay, so good luck, and I will see you for exercise 7.